Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're juggling emails, calendars, or tasks in Outlook and want to make sense of it all in Excel, you are in the right place. Today I will walk you through the update of 2025 method to connect Outlook to Excel. No stress, no confusion. Just let's jump on it on the tutorial. First, open the Excel on your computer, go to the tab menu and click on the data. Then select get data. This is where the magic happens. Now, from the drop down, choose the from the other source and then select from Microsoft Exchange. This is the option that connects to your Outlook account. If it is your first time connecting, a pop-up will appear asking you to log in. Just enter your Outlook credential and hit OK. Excel will now link to your email and calendar data. Once connected, Excel will display a list of your Outlook data: emails, contacts, calendars, events, or tasks. Task. Select the ones you need and click load. The data will now appear on your Excel workbook, ready for analyze or customization. And here is the best part: you can sort, and you can also filter, or even you can create reports in Excel. It's perfect here to stay organized, and you can save your time. And that's it, you have successfully connected Outlook to your Excel. It's just simple yet and most powerful way to streamline your workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, then like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.